Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the ribbon and the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word so you can work faster and keep your most used tools within easy reach. Let's start. Before customization, let's quickly understand what these elements are. The ribbon is the main menu area at the top of Microsoft Word. It contains tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Review, and View. Each tab contains groups of commands related to specific tasks. The Quick Access Toolbar, also called QAT, is the small toolbar located at the top left corner of Word. By default, it contains commands like Save, Undo, and Redo. The power of Word lies in customizing these two areas. First, make sure Microsoft Word is open. Now click on File in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu on the left, click Options. This opens the Word Options window where all customization settings are available. From the left side, click Customize Ribbon. This section allows you to customize both the ribbon and the Quick Access Toolbar. On the right side of the window, you'll see a list of main tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, Layout, Review, and View. Each checkbox controls whether a tab appears on the ribbon. If you uncheck a tab, it will disappear from the ribbon. For example, if you don't use the Draw tab, you can uncheck it and remove it from view. You can enable it again at any time by checking the box. Now let's add commands to an existing ribbon tab. From the right panel, select a tab such as Home. Inside that tab, select an existing group, for example Clipboard. Now click the New Group button. A custom group will appear under the selected tab. Click Rename and give the group a meaningful name, such as My Tools or Quick Commands. This group will hold your custom commands. Now look at the left panel. From the drop-down menu, select All Commands. Scroll through the list and choose a command you frequently use, such as Highlight, Format Painter, or Speak. Click Add to move it into your custom group. Once you're done adding commands, click OK. You'll now see your custom group inside the ribbon, ready to use. You can also create a completely new ribbon tab. To do this, go back to Customize Ribbon and click New Tab. A new tab and a new group will be created automatically. Rename the tab to something like Productivity Tools and rename the group to something meaningful, such as Daily Tasks. Now add commands to this group using the left panel. When you click OK, your custom tab will appear in the ribbon. This is perfect for organizing tools you use every day in one place. You can also rearrange the order of tabs and groups. In the right panel, select a tab and use the up and down arrow buttons to move it left or right in the ribbon. Click OK to apply the changes. Now let's move on to the Quick Access Toolbar, which is the small toolbar at the top left of Word. This toolbar is always visible, no matter which ribbon tab you are using. Go back to File, click Options, and select Quick Access Toolbar from the left side. On the right, you'll see the commands currently in the toolbar. On the left, choose commands from Popular Commands or All Commands. Select a command you want, such as Spelling and Grammar, Print Preview, or Track Changes, and click Add. You can remove any command by selecting it and clicking Remove. Click OK, and the toolbar will update immediately. You can also change the position of the Quick Access Toolbar. Click the small arrow at the end of the toolbar and choose Show below the ribbon. This makes the icons larger and easier to access. You can move it back above the ribbon anytime. There is also a faster way to add commands. Simply right-click any command in the ribbon and click Add to Quick Access Toolbar. The command will be added instantly. If at any point you want to undo all customizations, go back to Customize Ribbon, click Reset, and choose whether to reset only the ribbon or both the ribbon and Quick Access Toolbar. This restores Word to its default layout. You now know how to fully customize the ribbon and Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more Microsoft Word tutorials and complete computer courses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.